me scale this horizontally until I can see, hopefully, maybe what's going on. Okay, yeah, so there's a trigger.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, so what happens here is as I spin it around, we get a whole bunch of things, and that is good. So we can see, first off, that here, I'm going to put this into run mode. I'm going to spin this until I get another good. Okay, come on, why are you being? Okay, here we go. I'm just going to spin this until I see a bunch of good waveforms. I'm going to hit run stop to make it stop picking up new things, because I think it was getting upset by a loose connection here and interpreting that as a trigger event. But yeah, so you can also click the button to just reset them to like the default scale. Good. And then I'm going to move this down to that marker. Move that down to this marker. Scale it the same. That clicking is a relay. And then let's zoom in time and zoom in on some of this quadrature. So if you go on the internet and you look up like what the waveform looks like, you'll see a diagram that looks something